Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can easily use Zoho Wallet. Zoho Wallet is a good password manager, and if you don't have your account already created, scroll down below to the description and click on the link. Then you will get here to the Zoho Wallet, and what you want to do is just easily create an account. So I'm going to write email and password right here, and I agree. Sign up for free. And let's just wait until it loads. And I'm going to also show you how you can use it with the extension. You are just one step away from creating your account. Does your organization have an account with Zoho Wallet already? No. And now, organization name. And if you already guys created your account, just skip this step. Organization name. And you can use it for personal or teams. That's up to you. I'm going for personal, master password. It needs to be like really strong one that you're gonna save on the paper. And then I'm going to write this. I understand that if I forget my master password, Zoho Wallet will not be able to recover it. Yes, get started. And voila, here we have it. So right away, when you're gonna enter, we are going to look on the walkthrough. Then I'm going to show you what we can achieve. So when you're gonna enter Wallet, you would see dashboard here. In dashboard, you would find all your passwords, folders, everything. Then we are going to look on passwords, how we can add passwords. Folders, in folders, you can organize your passwords. Audit for folders, users, and everything. I will show you how to do that. And the last thing are settings. In settings, you're gonna have the multi-factor. If you want to, you can enable it. You are able to import passwords, export passwords. Then you're gonna see the password policy right here. That is like Zoho Wallet generates passwords based on your organization IT policy. So let's say you have policy of really strong one, you can have it right here. Password categories. So you can have like bank account, file store, healthcare, social security number, Unix, web account, Windows, and you can simply add more password categories. Offline access, you can like download it. Configuration, limit password history to 5 password, 10 password, 15 password. Data backup, you can have data backup and just have it there. You can also change master password right here if you want to. So that's how we do it, and you're gonna have like other Zoho apps on the top right corner if you want to use them. And you can also turn on 9 mode on the bottom right. So I'm going to turn on 9 mode. If you want to, you can have it or no. So let me just start here and how we can easily create a password. So the first thing that you want to do is just simply add a password. Right here, I'm going to add, it's a web account, social security number, file store, bank account. It's a web account. I will name it Twitter. Look at this. Folder, I don't have folder, but let's say I'm going to have social media. So that's going to be my folder. I'm going to even like zoom in more. Username is going to be my email address or the Twitter account. And then password. And then you can have like secure notes here if you want to. And URL, okay, tags. Click save. Tags is going to be Twitter. Save. Now, as you can see, we have our own Twitter account. Now what we have to do is to download Zoho Wallet extension. Here I will click Zoho Wallet, add to Chrome, add extension. Then let's say I'm going on Twitter. I will log out. I'm going to top right the menu. I'm going to turn on Zoho Wallet here. And you need to log in. So you turn top bar and sign in. So I'm going to add account that I added. That I have email right here. Accept. And now On a Twitter, I would have account login, use for email address, and you see right here the Zoho Wallet. And you would find it right here. But I need to have open Zoho Wallet. See, Twitter. Voila, automatically logged in. So I'm going to log out again. And I can see clearly that this is my email. You can edit it. You can even update it if you want to. And really play around it as much as you want. So I would click on top right. Again, you would have settings here. And look at this, this is really important. Now, I hope you can see clearly because I don't really know how to zoom it for you. Yeah, I'm thinking right now, how would I zoom it? Maybe if I will figure it out. So you're gonna see the 10 minutes here, the log extension after. Then you would have the clear clipboard after, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 90 seconds. Default view or domain matching, and then alert when autofilling on unsecure pages, autofill passwords on subdomains, seeing all changes made in the web. You have generator of passwords here, folders, passwords, and that's how we do it. Then you can again, welcome to Zoho Wallet, master password, and here we got it. Again, you can add multiple things here, so you can simply add a site, a password, Unix or Windows. And as you can see, if I'm going to add a Windows, you can see that it's like different with the name, folder, username, password, secure notes. I can add it also for Unix and website. And you see that you're going to see plenty of websites that you can add it to. Charles Schwab, Fidelity, finance. You can see plenty of finance accounts that you can use it for. It's like pretty good. So you're gonna see plenty of ideas. And yeah, so this is how we can use it. It's pretty straightforward and pretty easy. Now, again, you can find folders here and then audit. In audit, you can see the passwords and the information for what it was used. Users, others, and that's pretty much. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down in comments. I'm really happy to help you. Wallet Zoho is really straightforward tutorial that you can use for creating and managing your passwords. I don't know what else should I share with you. So this is pretty much it. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. This was a Zoho Wallet tutorial, Zoho Wallet beginner's guide, how to use Zoho Wallet, Zoho Wallet guide, Zoho Wallet tutorial.